Right, good morning. Memrason say ya dia gudi mun sembrel e wo bedwam so say bedwam ago kansie. Ya na nsam ne to so dey fata south na ya boabo no na ya de ebre wo Malta Guinness can one of na ya de nsam na de bro Malta Guinness no matter the occasion Malta Guinness. Until meda 17th of August me see ma me okwa bi pon no ba na me ma o moto na wano manesa opede ehye me ma de ehye osmosis ne PRO mo ba eye Malta Guinness na me de be ma mo nti modwa bi dia enye me ma me yase eye Malta Guinness slick can no na me de be ma mo na manum bi na bibia so atima koye ti mo nhye ne so ame omo eye sponsors na pomo kan why den sound ba so na bet power eye betting company back wa agentinti man power man Ghana mu a ope ba bia be disc go botom a eye bet power ti no so one sama no na ye be shase entempa so ba hye ne soma me say Sergio Manocho ne Bernard Padibotwe am na me producers. The last 8 of the European Championship and I say Euro 2024 asset. I know to say fixtures na no den pa anya sabke to akra enti e be se na be si akọ na hweba bia Spain number bia Germany number bia England number o makadam na no de ba Sergio Manocho preview games e shase channel. I know the Bekoso in the quarterfinal of the European Championship. Ochana first games Barcelona, Germany and Spain. Almost soja and you know the quarter so sad and I can say I know the pa. Then there will be Portugal and France. So say I didn't know them papa then England and Switzerland abo na ya heard the attack is so the NBC ako ye. The channel so far. I mean you copy more calf. And the Confederation of African Football, the procedure, the draw for the Morocco 2025. About Toja, which is in city 48 teams now qualify. Ekusia Kain, ISR tournament imo. And Port 1, Morocco hosting Ghana, and so Eshimu, Konamu, by the Ghana, Port 1, Ghana beat me up. Any more Port 2, Port 3, Port 4 mu be share with the same group mo. The Ghana bit me share we mu be Madagascar, Equatorial Guinea, Burkina Faso. Atumi asan share Sudan, Sierra Leone, Malawi, Central African Republic. Atumi share we mu be anti. This is how the draw babaya and so I want some yede to dra the war into so I don't know. The yanku na yanhwe said in some no so siete yakopiem the Ghana Football Association president Ra Keto Kraku or in some to dra. As the Black Stars of Ghana na ni abre so ba shetim ni ye etina mokofa coach to Adom so ma se sane mom na bibia so entimi enkoye na ba bi ote na ohwe Black Stars no who say Black Stars in top shape pa enti no ye ma ye ho a year or two the ye say Black Stars betumi aye no on betumi aye ate o man anim.
You saw the Black Stars defeat Mali. Mali were in the semi-finals of the AFCON. Ghana went out at the group stage and nobody has asked why and how we managed that victory. Mali have already felt the results of the renewed energy. Central African Republic were in Wonderland in Kumasi. The rest will follow. It is a journey for all of us, and all of us have a role to play on this journey. Let us continue believing in the vision, just like Professor Minta believes in the vision, and let's hold the belief that once we stay together, it is possible to deliver 5-star performances at all times. It obviously coincides with the times that we are yearning and working towards our 5th World Cup appearance and our 5th AFCON trophy. And I believe that this is the signal for good times. So the Black...
Right, the GFA president gets here so crack now. Okupimo war the 13th African Games na Ghana ye host ye husika semna kwa something which is there ma na the sports minister Okupimo or parliament na ye bisano say on fine and ya no mra no say to top up so kakra ne but Honorable Mustafa Yusuf somebody to dwan and say ogidi say ade e course so no ye fair. Now want na ba bi nhwe emmasika mfinance asset abi ombe make account for every penny I must spend here for the 13th African Games.
Account for every CD. Every CD is going to be accounted for the games. And I just want you to know that the reason why this statement do not capture the financials is because you have ordered your ranking member to file a question. The question has been admitted by the Speaker of Parliament, and he has been referred to me, and I'm ready to come and respond. So that is why it wasn't captured. It is not that we are hiding anything. I want that clarity to be made, that every penny is going to be accounted for. Be rest assured.
Right, Honorable Sports Minister, on Fabi BNC or the home. Anuye Ebebana, so member of Parliament, the Matthew Mokwa constituency, and the Honorable David Vondi, or de Tuga. I said, Oshesika, Yade Sports Mo, or my Ganemo, and a buy or teso no cry a yen one. What you say, Yemfa, attention be brain and co infrastructure. Sanse, baby Anna, I would if only be diagrono who here to say, sending this kind of more monoa.
Even in our country, those days when you hear Michael Essien, Asamoah Gyan, and so forth and so on, these are great guys who are contributing to the development of this nation. And they are doing so because they are exposed to quality facilities and that they are able to display their talent. And therefore, it is important that we turn our attention to sport. It is my prayer and hope that this government will take sporting activity serious and invest in sport, because it creates a lot of jobs. It creates a lot of opportunity for young men and women to display their talent and to make money, to make living. And it also brings the country's image really high in the world stage. Mr. Speaker, it is my prayer and hope that this government will first of all invest in sporting activity, encourage sporting activity in our schools, and bring the love back, so that this country can take its position at the world stage.
Right, and on the Honorable MP or the Echo Asia. Observe, Uhesane, Nema Esia call the Ghanaian Premier League more on him say transfer window in them to Sensan and Havan for Sensan Yegusoki Kaka boom this weekend. Okopiemo war and I say, oh, Babeshe. The Ebekoso was sports arena, so I ever had various transfers, Ekoso, across of folk, and I faced the Kumasi, Asante Kotoko, and then of course other teams aka the Ghanaian Premier League more. Now in Swatchamine, MTNFA Cup winners, and they yomo coach, Master Economy, the Omaja, on Tiomo per coach for Romeo's new rumors, so I didn't from one is Coach Samuel Badwam, and Kaina, where coach the back class of folk, I'll call Brekum Chelsea, no one on and they one in a casa, near Mount to Dean me. But the two will better take over the reins of instructor man has Africa Mokono, but Diomo Ebekwa Kupimu, El Honomatica, Shannon, Efa and Mammy El Honomo. Like I said, that's what Saban on an air birthday, Mrs. Felicia Mengel, Oyajuma, a Codben Logistics, our tema, or now for Union Money or one, Jumanino, on some will show a happy birthday, Sister Felicia. And I'll say, Yemfa Emma Kwama MAGHS. Yes, Kwama MAGHS in the Eastern region. Teacher Sami, and I say, Mr. Samuel Jamira. Mr. Jamira and Kuala in our friend. And the teacher Sami did a birthday. Yes, one top teacher power Kwama MAGHS. And your birthday tea. Fantastic happy birthday going out to you. Nami share non ton kwanem my wakuma sobi said bia nyame enyema kwatintin apomodimu akesh esumu. And yes, Eddie Amao and Ano Paye, Sergio Manucho, and of course, the man Bernard Paddy Butchie. I never see him fair the man can do on a homo and a camera. But in 7 at the Ebre war. But Ochina, yeah, was some well, Nana upon Cherame, when Rahel ya crying as you do. Achana mo worry, mama congratulations. I see do bamudiana yes baby. Rahel ya crancy do nana upon Sherby. Ochana pioneer ewa amasama ewa see residents signa ya baba time ochina bibia so atimi akoye. Nyame kama ho na bibia anko ochina nyame man good weather na ware no enko kama pa ne ade. Abusia sisi ade ya pomode won sam beto aso aba. Yewi ade aka so beto aso bedwam na agusu hwe ya no akai ade nankasa ka kejwa ne ho. Erica Sedu Body. Because what have you